So we've just had a massive freeze-dried restock. There is some new additions in there, including assorted paintballs. The paintballs are so sweet when they've been freeze-dried. They're almost like a meringue texture, covered in like colourful sherbet, and then they've got this really dense, like chalky texture. There's also gummy worms. These are really popular. Freeze-dried Skittles, including the super sour. So sour. And one of my all-time favourites, the freeze-dried drumstick lollies. These got absolutely huge. They have such a good crunch. And the flavour of these is raspberries and cream.